This test, again, we're looking at yeast, fungal markers. When we start seeing this one, tartaric, being elevated, that's from Aspergillus, typically a house mold. Can be from grains as well. But either way, this is a mold issue. So I want to show you what you typically start seeing when on this test when we have a mold issue. Is you'll start seeing these oxalate metabolites being off. They'll usually be elevated. Mold releases oxalates, so that's why. Typically, you'll see these mitochondrial markers be low. There's some elevated as well, but typically you'll see them low. Especially marker 28, you'll see low. Sometimes you'll see these neurotransmitters be off as well. But when we go down here, you'll typically start seeing markers 56, where N-acetylcysteine and vitamin C being low as well, because they help us detoxify mycotoxins. And then a lot of times you'll see this methylation or toxic exposure be elevated. So those are kind of my key indicators into a mold toxicity. And then I'll run a mycotoxin test, because this is looking at true mold in their system versus mycotoxins is the toxins that mold release. But the toxins are what make you sick, not actually the mold. You could have mold in your system, and if it wasn't releasing any toxins, you wouldn't even have any symptoms. But it's when they start releasing toxins, that's what affects our body. So if you run a mycotoxin test, you can screen for those toxins. So just FYI there. But there you go. That's what I look at there. The nice part about this test is in the bottom aspects, like when you go way down here, it's great because it gives you the markers it's off and then the supplements that you should take to fix it. That's how I first learned all this stuff. Is basically I'd read it, what it is, here's the recommended supplementation for it, and then I started supplementing for it, and it worked great. So just FYI there. Thanks for taking the time to check out this video. To learn more or to schedule an intensive or anything with my team, there's a link below. Just go ahead and click that, and that'll get you to the right spot. Have an awesome day.